In this video, I'm going to be designing a bell, a brake bell. So the bell is found on the brake disc, right? The purpose of the bell is to hold, um, the purpose of the bell is to position the axle and to rotate along with the axle, right? So it connects the axle and at the same time it also connects to the brake disc so that when the axle rotates, the brake disc rotate, also rotating the wheel. So I'm just gonna start off with the method of revolving it. So I'm just gonna do its body and then I'm gonna revolve the body. So the radius of my bell, 170 divided by 2, which is 85. So I'm just gonna measure 12. Then from the thickness of the hub section, which is 30, just measure 30. Then going all the way up, just gonna measure 60. And from there I'm just gonna do a list 20. Now you can just adjust it there. Let me get an 18. I'm gonna do a nice 3 millimeters there. I'm gonna make an offset. Let's go back. Then you can make your offset. So you're gonna make an offset of 4 millimeters. Here you're just gonna measure your 3 millimeters. Actually, let's make it 2. Then measure another 2. Then for the hub section, you're gonna measure 45. I'm gonna measure 10 going to that other side. Measure 5. Going all the way there. Come back there again. Just gonna measure 10. Okay, we just changed the whole geometry. Let's go back a bit. And there we go. We can just come and revolve the whole sketch. Select the axis. I'm going to come then to this face, project it. Now for the face, I'm just going to measure diameter 15.2. You can just go ahead and flip it. Now you can circulate it. Select the axis. Make a total of 19. Now I'm going to do the ventilation holes. Of the ventilation holes, just make a nice diameter of 12. Now I can extrude the hole. Okay, made a little bit of a mistake there. Flip it and cut it throughout. Now you can just make a circular. Now select the axis, make a 19 as well. This point, this is for the mounting of the axle. So I'm just going to make a nice offset there of 1 millimeters. Make 2 I mean. Project. Now, make it a length of 6 by 10. Extrude, cut, cut the face by 10. Oh wait, before we continue on with the fillet, let's make sure we fix that point. make it 7, and then take it down a notch, adjusting it. Then you can extrude them. Make a radius of 2. Let's circulate it along, select the fillet as well. Now you can just come and select the axis. Now make it flow of 6. Okay. So now what we're just gonna do is just gonna add some drill points. Select that one, project it. Now come there to the center. Now make a diameter of 6. Extrude it, but cut it out. Now you can just make that extrusion, and now you can circulate it around the point of axis. Make it 6. And there you have it. You are done with the bell. All you can do now is just select the material, make it aluminum. Now you can come there and save it and make it a bell. And there you go. Now you can just go there and open it. Go to the braking system and open your brake disc assembly. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to come and assemble the bell right over here, so that you can just have a clear overview on how it would look, just a nice sample. So I'm going to ground this wheel so that you cannot intervene. Now I'm just going to take the face, slide it over there. We can come in place our bobbin bolt. So you send 6 of them. Now you can just constrain and add them over there. Apply. So we can take on 4 of these for now. You can come back later and you can add them and finish up the whole of the assembly unit. But for now, I'm just gonna deal with 4. Now you're just gonna come there and place in the bobbin pin again. Okay, as you can see over there, there's a little bit of a glitch. So we're just gonna try and fix it. Come there and edit it. Come and delete the pattern. You can just come there and edit the sketch then. I can just come and make the sketch visible. Then make it invisible. Then you can come back to your pattern, edit the feature. But then it's okay. You can just come again. And this time you just select those portion. Select the axis. And make it get 19 times. And you're good to go. Now we can just come and insert our bolt or our pins. I mean nuts actually. And there you go. You are done. So you can probably see over there, there's a clearance. So this clearance is for when the disk is heating up, the titanium will absorb that heat and expand so that it doesn't force out the bibbin pins. Okay, so you are done with this part of the assembly.